the bombed-out streets, through the squalor and the poverty, walks a proud Neapolitan girl with a head of thick black curls. She doesn't care about right or wrong, just about where the next meal's coming from. Neapolitan girl. Innocence can often be another one of war's casualties, but innocence can be restored with a visit to the professore for 10,000 lira. He can find Miss Lady virginity. His dirty needle leaves a trail of scars and keeps her at the peak of her sexual parts. Neapolitan girl, oh yeah. She takes him riding on the 133 through the city to the cemetery, where the Neapolitan girls go down behind the headstones. Oh, the quickening breath and the muffled cries as life and death become entwined. Now, baby, just pretend you don't see 'em lusting in the mausoleum. Neapolitan girl, oh yeah. Lola has a lover in the city bank, Lola has a lover in the British ranks, but Lola has them over in the middle of the day. Lola makes the neighbors all jealous that way. She does.